Today we're going to be putting in some middle ground. So I see a lot of beginner artists, and what they like to do is they focus on their background and they focus on their foreground, but they don't put in their middle ground. And what happens is then you don't have any depth of field. So you do want that depth of field, and the way you do that is by putting in your middle ground. Your middle ground also to show depth of field. Your middle ground needs to be maybe just a little bit lighter than your foreground and a little darker than your background if you can make it so. I've got some liquid white on my brush, and I'm going to add a little bit of it to the canvas. Now that I have liquid white on the canvas, I'm going to wipe some of it down, and I want just enough so that the paint slides across the canvas. I'm going to take a little bit of this liquid white and I'm just going to do little tiny circles up into my mountain area to create mist. I'm only using maybe this much of my paintbrush. And let's get that done. Very gently sweeping it upward into the mountain. Whenever you're sweeping it into a mountain, just make sure that you go in the direction of your slope. I've created a color of a little bit of blue, a little bit of black, a lot of white, and I wanted it to be kind of a lighter color, maybe a little bit of green in there so that I can have some green that will kind of tie into the green foreground that I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to load my brush by dragging it through the paint like this, wiggling it a little bit. What it does is it brings it more to a chiseled edge, like this. I'm going to take it and just very, very gently tap. These are foothills in the background, so I don't want them all to be one line going across. I want it to be a little bit like some hills in the background. Just tapping it. That's all I'm doing, is just tapping it. Just tapping it like this. As you can see, I've left little pockets of white. Now very, very gently, I'm just gonna lift upward. I'm flicking upward with my brush. This makes trees in the background. And they're gonna show up against the white pockets and against the fog in the background. They will show. Now I'm going to add a little bit more black to my brush because I want to go darker for another layer of trees. And gently I'm going to flick upward for treetops in the distance. I've got a little bit of black, a little bit of blue on my fan brush, and right about here I might add a few individual treetops. Come straight in to create the top of the tree. They turn it to the side and just barely touch the edge to create branches. A little bit more in the foreground. We're coming closer and closer to your foreground. have kind of a nice mid-ground right there. So we've differentiated now between your background, mountains and sky, and now we have a nice mid-ground there, and now we will be putting in the foreground. And that's where we get into our fine details. It will be darker, and it will give your painting more depth. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you enjoyed it. And next time we'll be covering the foreground. Okay, we'll talk to you later. Bye now. Happy painting.